I'm going to show you how to make limoncello in under 2 minutes. Take note, this is my first time making it. We're going to just use the rind, so save those lemons for a separate batch of lemonade or for the line if you'd like. Pour a bottle of Everclear 120 proof in a sealable jar and add in the rinds. Let that sit and infuse for 3 weeks. Strain the infusion and set it aside. Then make a simple syrup with 1 quart water and 1/2 quart sugar. Turn off the heat and let the sugar dissolve. Let the simple syrup completely cool and mix into the infusion. Squeeze the juice of 1 small to medium-sized lemon into the mixture. Bottle and consume. I think it's best served cold. I went ahead and compared it to a bottle of store-bought limoncello. Both were good, but there was a big difference in viscosity and taste. Mine was thinner, a touch more sour, and less sweet. The store-bought was thicker, more of a syrup consistency, and more floral. It does have food coloring in it as well, so that's why it has that vibrant yellow. A great option if you don't want to make it. This is my first batch and I already prefer the homemade version. I've got a solid foundation to build on. Enjoy.